Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So today I'm presenting a new update for Aimogen, and if you are using the latest version of it, you will see that in Gutenberg editor and also in the Classic Editor from WordPress in single post edit screen. If you go to add new post or if you edit an existing post, you will see, if you scroll down, the Aimogen AI product writer new meta box, and this will be available also in Gutenberg. So using this you will be able to quickly create product titles, content, description, and also post titles, content, description, tags, and also SEO meta description. So for this, let me show you how this will work. So I am here in the Classic Editor, and let's write, for example, hair dryer, and simply I click on toggle advanced options if I need to tweak the prompts that are sent to the AI, or if not, I'm good with the default ones. We can hide this and simply select what I need to be created. So in this case, let's create everything, and the title is generated, and we can see the title filling up here, and also content is generated, SEO meta description is generated, and the content can take a bit longer to generate, but it's okay, we can take this and wait for it. And similarly you will be able to do it also in Gutenberg. So after this is ready, we will be able to see the content populated here with this new text. So now we have the excerpt, and here it is, the nice content that we get. So this can be used as a base for your new post, or you can extend it. And also tags are here, so a common separated list of tags, and all you have to do now is to hit publish and publish your post, as the plugin automatically filled up everything for you. So keep in mind that this will be available also in Gutenberg. However, in Gutenberg there will be a difference. So let me show you what's the difference. When you click generate, sorry, you need to enter a keyword here. When you click generate, you will get the title, the SEO meta description, the content, the excerpt, the text filled up here, and you need to click this other button in Gutenberg to save the content. So keep in mind, click save, and here it is. The posts were generated. So this is the basic version of this new feature. If you have ideas to extend it, let me know in the comments of this video. Also, if you have other ideas for the plugin, let me know. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Until next time, this is all for today. Bye bye.